She was beautiful like nothing that you've ever really seen before. No, she was nothing like all of those girls in magazines or on the movie screens. No one even seemed to notice she was there, but she was lost in her own little world, and she just didn't care when she would go out. And she let down her hair, well, you could hear a pin drop hit the floor the moment she walked through the door. Everyone just stopped and stared like nobody could believe that she was there. I told you she was beautiful, but you found out she was more. Now everybody started treating her like gold, but she just left all of it because she knows that they don't really care, and they weren't ever really there. But when she went out and she let down her hair, well, you could hear a pin drop hit the floor from the moment she walked through the door. Everyone just stopped and stared like nobody could believe that she was there. I told you she was beautiful, but you found out she was more. Whoa, whoa.
Birthday, Shane. Maricoy. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. Tapos, more blessings to come. Sa inyong dalawa ni Alvin, kasama si KK. Tapos, I wish na si God ang maging center ng life nyo. Yung faith nyo kay God, mas lalo pang tumaas. Kasi siya lang yung nakakaalam ng patutungan natin sa buhay. Shane, ulitin ko, happy birthday. God bless. Tapos, yung mga babati pala sa'yo, baka kasi magtaka kung sino yung mga yun.
Hi Shane, happy birthday! Pida ang saya.
Hi Shane, happy birthday.
Happy birthday nga pala.
Happy birthday.
So, yun. Bumabati lang ako. Thank you.
Taken from my iPhone 6. Swerte mo. Happy birthday, Shane. Bye.
Bye Shane.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Shane. Joke lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have a nice life. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Shay! Happy birthday, awesome!
Yung gitna mo pwede.
Ano ko?
Tuloy ang paglalakad! Sino pinapasama?
Jesus! Jesus ng Nazaret!
Si Ashley, ano na?
Hello? Asa ka na?
Happy birthday, Shane! Tama na. Happy birthday, Bessie! Bess, happy birthday! Ikaw.
Birthday.
Ayan, pati pagbate, kailangan kinukue siya. Happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship. It's almost how many years already, pero promise that we'll always be here for you no matter what happen. Ayan. Kahit siya hindi, ako lang lagi. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Bess, happy birthday. I'm so happy wherever you are right now. I'm so proud of you. Kung meron ka pang mga dreams, just continue to chase it kasi hindi pa yun late. I know that God has a plan on you more. Have faith lang and trust Him. Mag-ingat ka parate and you know that I'm always here for you. I love you so much. I miss you. Sana dumating yung time na magkasama ulit tayo and we have bond together. Ayan. Love na love ko kay Nikina. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shane. Ang wish kong sa'yo, may wish ka ba ako? So, ang wish ko na lang sa'yo is good health, happy life, and i-continue mo lang kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Kasi nakikita ko masaya ka. So, yun. Happy birthday and we miss you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi girl. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. Mag-ingat ka lagi. I'm always here for you.
So cover your eyes, I have a surprise. I hope you got a healthy appetite. If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you should call. Girl, when you're with me, I'll give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Make it something good to celebrate. So make a wish. I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give you something good to celebrate. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay. Hi, Han. Happy birthday. Well, first of all, wish you all the good things in life. I want to tell you that I'm very proud of you. Sana lahat ng mga wishes ng mga nag-wish sa'yo, sana matupad. Ayun. And I want to tell you that we'll always be here every step of the way. Kami ng mga friends mo, especially ako, makaasa ka naman na lagi kitang susuportahan. So, ayun.
Thank you for everything, Han, and I love you so much. Alam mo naman yun. So, happy birthday again. Me and KK will always be here for you. We love you.
I saw